Problem: f of z is analytic function. Prove that dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square modulus of f of z square equal to 4 times modulus of f dash of z square. Okay, this we have to prove. Solution: let f of z equal to u plus iv is analytic function. Okay, so now if you have modulus of a plus ib, this is nothing but under root of a square plus b square. So modulus of f of z according to under root of a square plus b square means u plus iv means u square plus v square. Modulus of f of z square, that is u square plus u square, squaring on both sides. Next, also f of z equal to u plus iv f dash of z. This is a formula, f dash of z formula, dou u by dou x plus I into dou v by dou x. So now modulus of f dash of z, the same formula, a plus ib under root of a square plus b square. A means dou u by dou x, b means dou v by dou x. So that is dou u by dou x square root of dou u by dou x square plus dou v by dou x whole square. So now squaring on both sides, modulus of f dash of z square equal to dou u by dou x whole square plus dou v by dou x whole square. After this we have to do now dou by dou x of u square plus v square. So what is our proof? In our proof, dou square by dou x square of modulus of f of z square. That means you have to do 2 time differentiation to modulus of f of z square. Okay, so now what is modulus of f of z square? U square plus v square. So first time differentiation, dou by dou x of u square plus v square. U square 2u dou u by dou x, v square differentiation 2v dou v by dou x. If you want 2 common, u dou u by dou x plus v dou v by dou x. You got first time differentiation. Next is second time differentiation. Dou square by dou x square of u square plus v square. That is dou by dou x of u square plus v square. So now dou by dou x of u square plus v square. What is this value? This is, that is 2 times u dou u by dou x plus v dou v by dou x. So now these 2 outside, dou by dou x of these 2 outside, dou by dou x of u dou u by dou x plus dou by dou x of v dou v by dou x. So now this total function you have to differentiate with respect to x. So it's like a uv rule. For example, uv whole dash uv dash plus v u dash. So when you are differentiating, this is u, this is v. Okay, first we will do this. So now 2 into u means this u as it is, dou u by dou x differentiation, dou square u by dou x square, plus v means dou u by dou x, u dash means u differentiation, dou u by dou x. Next plus, come to this one, Again this is u, this is v. So now u into means v into, wait a minute, v into dou v by dou x differentiation, dou square v by dou x square, plus next this dou v by dou x as it is, v differentiation dou v by dou x. Okay, if you want you can see one more time. This is u, this is v, u v dash plus v u dash we are applying. So now u means this is v as it is, v dash means dou v by dou x differentiation dou square v by dou x square. Next v means dou v by dou x as it is. Next v differentiation dou v by dou x. So now this will be 2 into u into dou square u by dou x square plus dou u by dou x into dou u by dou x, dou u by dou x whole square. Next v into dou square v by dou x is, this is dou square v by dou x square plus dou v by dou x whole square. Okay, now this is which value? This is all about dou square by dou x square of u square plus v square, dou square by dou x square of u square plus v square. Similarly we get, what is that means, dou square by dou y square of u square plus v square is equal to 2 into, with respect to y, u into dou square u by dou y square plus dou u by dou y whole square plus v into dou square v by dou x dou y square plus dou v by dou y whole square. This assume as a 1, this assume as a 2, adding 1 and 2. So now adding 1 and 2, 1 plus 2. So left to left to add. So dou square by dou x square, what we can take in a left to common? U square plus v square common. So when you take that, dou square by dou y square see one more time, left to left adding, right side adding, left side these two we have to add, this one and this one. So now what is common? U square plus v square common, that is dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square into u square plus v square. Right side 2 common. Okay, next in these two u common, that means, so what will get? U common, dou square u by dou x square, dou square u by dou x square, next dou square u by dou y square, u common from these two. Okay, you got this. Next plus dou u by dou x whole square, dou u by dou y whole square, these two. Next in these two in these two v common. So dou square v by dou x square, dou square v by dou y square, plus this is these two terms. So now dou v by dou x whole square, dou v by dou y whole square, whole bracket. So now come to right side. He said f of z equal to u plus psi v is analytic. When analytic, which implies u comma v harmonic functions. U comma v are harmonic function. What is the meaning of harmonic function? That is dou square u by dou x square, dou square u by dou y square equal to 0. Next dou square v by dou x square, dou square v by dou y square equal to 0. Okay. So now therefore, which implies this is dou square by dou x square, dou square by dou y square, u square plus v square equal to 2 into, so u into what is value 0 plus dou u by dou x whole square, dou u by dou y whole square, next v into this value 0, v is harmonic, plus dou v by dou x whole square, dou v by dou y whole square. Okay. So now also when f is analytic, when f is analytic, satisfies CR equations. So what is CR equations? That is dou u by dou x equal to dou v by dou y, dou u by dou y equal to minus dou v by dou x. So this is a one more thing. We use this also. So now is equal to 2 into this already 0. So now dou u by dou x whole square. Now dou u by dou y we can write minus dou v by dou x whole square. I am converting all with respect to x. Here with respect to x, y is there with respect to, I am converting all in x. So this dou u by dou x whole square as it is, dou u by dou y we can write minus dou v by dou x whole square. This dou v by dou x as it is. Next dou v by dou y we can write dou u by dou x whole square. So all is here x with respect to x, with respect to y, with respect to x, with respect to y. I converted all in with respect to x by using CR equations. So now this will be 2 times dou u by dou x. Now here dou u by dou x whole square, dou u by dou x whole square, 2 times is there. That means 2 into dou u by dou x whole square minus dou v by dou x whole square means again it will be dou v by dou x whole square, dou v by dou x whole square. So that is 2 into again dou u by dou x whole square 2 times dou v by dou x whole square, dou v by dou x whole square. That is 2 into dou v by dou x whole square. So now these 2 common. So what will get 2 into 2 dou u by dou x whole square, dou v by dou x whole square. Okay. So now dou u by dou x whole square, dou v by, sorry, wait a minute, 2 into 2 common, dou u by dou x whole square plus dou v by dou x whole square. So now what is this value? See, starting dou u by dou x whole square plus dou v by dou x whole square. What is this value means? Dou u by dou x whole square plus dou v by dou x whole square, modulus of f dash of z square. So what is value? Modulus of f dash of z square. So this is 4 into this value will be modulus of f dash of z square. So now come to left side. Left, what is there? Dou square u by dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square u square plus v square. This will be, so this value dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square u square plus v square. What is this u square plus v square means? Again come to starting. What is u square plus v square? Modulus of f of z square. That means this is a left side value. Total value is a what is that? Dou square by dou x square. 1 minute. Dou square by dou x square, dou square by dou y square into u square plus v square, modulus of f of z square. Okay, so that is nothing but what is value? Dou square by dou x square, dou square by dou y square, modulus of f of z square. This is only a required proof. Only 2 time differentiation and add. Check it. Dou square by dou x square, dou square by dou y square, modulus of f of z square 4 times, modulus of f dash of z square. Got same? Check it. Got same, na? Okay.